Today we'll create two campaigns, the first in the Google AdWords interface and the second in WordStream for PPC. In this example, we'll be a proprietor of Tigro's Pet Supply Shop. To create the campaign in Google AdWords, I'll begin by going to the Campaigns tab where I'll see New Campaign. The first step of creating a new campaign is selecting the campaign settings. We'll make this a search network campaign and call it Cat Supplies. I'll keep the area at United States and choose desktop and laptop computers. I'll make my budget the standard 25 per day and save and continue. After setting campaign settings within Google AdWords, it's now time to create the first ad group, write the first text ad, and select your first keywords. Within this interface, there's not a lot of guidance as to the keywords and the text ads that you should be creating, but I'll go ahead and call the first group cat toys. So in a pet supply shop and under cat supplies, I would probably have some cat toys within the store, so I'll just write the text ad, Tigro's cat toys, wide selection and low prices. Shop now online. So, as I mentioned before, there's not a lot of guidance on keywords, particularly around cat toy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the keywords option for now and go ahead and let me set the bid to $1 and create this new ad group. So within the Google interface, there is not an easy way to research and add keywords. To do so, you actually can go to the tool section, to the keyword tool, and I'll select cat toys and search. And I'm going to actually select only show ideas closely related to my search terms. And so I'm getting one keyword back. Let me actually unselect that and group them by similarity, and I'll again search for cat toys. And so here I get a few more results, but it's not as intuitive. Again, I had to know to not select only closely related terms, and also I would have to know to group by similarity to search terms. So now that I have these results, the laser cat toy, catnip cat toys, etc., let me show all 100 of them. And there's a lot here, so I'm just going to select them all. And add keywords to cat supplies and cat toys and save and continue. So if I go back to my campaign, cat supply, cat toys, this is the ad group, and I would have to wash and repeat for every offering within cat supplies, and then do the same within my other categories. So that's just an example of creating a new campaign and a new ad group within the Google AdWords interface. Now we'll go through the same process with WordStream for PPC. So within WordStream for PPC, I'm also going to go to the Campaigns tab, and I'm going to also choose Create New Campaign. And so we'll start actually with our first search term, cat toys. And so as you see here, WordStream actually takes your seed term and then searches a keyword database to find um, thousands of keywords related to your particular category. And also, if you look at the left here, you'll see the ad group suggestions where WordStream will actually break these keyword groupings out into more granular groups that you can write relevant text ads around, targeting a higher quality score and a lower cost per click. So this is all automated. You can just choose what's relevant to your offering. So within cat toys, it's easy to select mice, cat toys, uh, a cat toy ball, plush for your pet, maybe a bird. So then you just select next, and we're going to place it in a new campaign. Our campaign name was actually cat supplies, if you recall, and I'll call this one WS for in WordStream, search only. Our daily budget was 25, and we were targeting the English language in the United States. So we can go ahead and select next. We had our bids at $1. And for now, we can skip the process of creating a text ad and confirm and finish. So as you can see with WordStream, in the same or even less time than it took to create one group within the Google AdWords interface, in WordStream you're able to create multiple groups. At this point we have 5 that are more specific, that are better targeted for the PPC campaign. The last step here would be to create text ads. So within AdWords, um, if you created an ad, every time you created a new uh, ad group within the wizard, you'd have to rewrite that ad. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually go to the ads tab, and we can create a new text ad. So WordStream again gives you suggestions to make sure that you're writing relevant text ads with the keywords that exist within the group. So we'll go ahead and call this Tigros balls, cat toys, and then we said wide selection and low prices, and I believe we said shop online today. Okay, let's actually go with that. And so one of the things that we're going to do and that we can do is actually uh, go ahead and copy that text ad, and we can paste it uh, and then change the headline for all of these ad groups that we have here. So it's a large time saver when it comes to writing relevant text ads for very granular ad groups that are again going to help you to get a higher click-through rate, which will increase your quality score and lower your pay-per-click costs. So that's the end of this example of creating campaigns within WordStream for PPC versus Google AdWords.